Health options. Before you watch this video, please click subscribe button and hit the notification bell. You will be the first one to know when we upload new videos. How to get rid of acne fast at home tips and tricks. Contrary to popular belief, acne is a broader term while pimple is a type of acne. Pimples are also usually rarer, milder, and less painful when compared to acne. Pimples will always have a head or a tip, while in acne's it might just be a round, red bump. Lastly, acne is caused by the clogging of follicles, while pimples are a result of clogged pores. Breakouts have a propensity for appearing on probably the most significant days of our lives, days when we have to put our best face forward. In any case, trust the acne gods to astonish us. And how? On evenings when you recognize the principal skin breakout indications and feel the need of fast yet successful skin breakout prescription, pursue our believed rundown of the best home solutions for skin inflammation scars overnight. 1. Toothpaste. Use a perfect cotton swab to apply an even layer of white toothpaste on the affected area as one of the best acne treatments. Let it dry overnight. Give it a chance to dry overnight. 2. Coconut oil. Warm coconut oil and gently massage the affected area with it. Leave it on overnight. 3. Baking soda. Mix baking soda and water to make a smooth paste and apply equitably over the skin inflammation. Leave it on for a couple of minutes before flushing it off with water. 4. Vaseline. One of the best home solutions for acne scars overnight is to apply petroleum jelly over your acne marks. Rehash this all the time for best results. 5. Aloe Vera Extract crisp aloe gel from the aloe plant and apply legitimately to the skin breakout and its encompassing zones. You can flush it off before slamming or simply lay down with it. 6. Lemon. Dip a Q-tip in new lemon squeeze and apply to the influenced zone. Leave it medium term and wash your face as regular in the morning. 7. Turmeric. Make a thick glue of turmeric and water. Apply it uniformly over the affected area. Flush once dry and rehash the following night. 8. Yogurt. Using your fingertips, apply a layer of chilled yogurt on the affected area. Give it a chance to be for 15 minutes before flushing off with cold water. 9. Rose water. One of the best home solutions for skin inflammation marks. Make a predictable glue of sandalwood powder and rose water. Ensure there are no knots. Apply it as a pack on your full face or use it as skin inflammation spot treatment. It works both ways. 10. Milk. Mix a tablespoon of honey in a bowl of entire milk. Apply the creation on your completely washed down skin breakout face utilizing a cotton swab. Back rub it daintily utilizing your fingertips and let it get before washing it dry. If you would like to see more of this related topics, you can check the description below and have a product we recommend. If you like the content of this video, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell, and be sure to share and like.